Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to clean outdoor light fixtures. This video will take you through steps you can follow to clean your outdoor light fixtures, so stick around for the best guide. First, gather the tools you'll need. They include stepladder, protective gloves, screwdriver, glass cleaner, 2 utility buckets, hot water, liquid dish soap, soft cleaning cloth, old towel, soft brush, metal polish or non-abrasive wax, optional. Next, follow these steps to clean the outdoor light fixtures. 1. Turn off the switches for outdoor lighting at the circuit breaker for safety purposes. 2. Set up your ladder on a flat surface, ensuring you can properly reach the outdoor light fixtures. You can also use a chair or stool if you don't have a ladder. 3. Remove the light bulbs to easily access the fixtures. 4. Use the soft brush to dust the fixture surfaces and remove any cobwebs. 5. Put on your protective gloves and mix the hot water and liquid dish soap in one of the utility buckets. Fill the other bucket with hot water only. 6. Unscrew the decorative grills, globes, or casings on the light fixtures and soak them in the soapy water. 7. Dip the soft cleaning cloth into the soapy water, wring it out, and then wipe down the light fixtures. Ensure you don't get any water on the electrical sockets. 8. Remove the decorative pieces out of the soapy water and rinse them in the second bucket. Wipe them dry with the old towel. 9. Using a piece of cloth, apply the glass cleaner to any glass surfaces on the fixtures to revive their shine. 10. If your fixtures are made of copper or brass, use non-abrasive wax or metal polish to remove stubborn stains from the surfaces and restore their shine. You can also use household items like white vinegar and baking soda to clean the fixtures. 11. Gently wipe down the light bulbs and screws with a damp cloth. 12. Wait for everything to dry out, then reassemble the light fixtures. 13. Turn the power back on. So there you have it. Outdoor light fixtures are prone to dirt, cobwebs, and debris, which can reduce their efficiency and aesthetics. Luckily, you can follow these steps to effectively clean them so as to keep them bright and spotless. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this video. Till next time.